Hello students, yesterday in last video we have seen the matrices, transformations of matrices, examples related to matrices. Today we are going to start the new topic which is determinants. Mostly determinants, this topic is related to only a square matrices. Means what is determinant? Determinant, let me see the definition of determinant. Determinant is the value of a square matrix. It is the value of a square matrix. For every square matrix Aij of order n, then we can associate a number which is, it may be real number or complex number, which is called the determinant of the square matrix A. We cannot find the value of determinant if the matrix is rectangular matrix. That means what I want to tell you, for the value of the determinant we need only a square matrix. A square matrix of order 1, square matrix of order 2 means 2 by 2 square matrix of order 3 means 3 by 3 square matrix, or square matrix of order n. Here determinant, it is the value associated to the square matrix A, the value which may be real or complex. Matrix A is equal to Aij of order n. It is called the determinant of the square matrix A. Where what is Aij? Aij is the ijth element of the matrix A. It is denoted by determinant of A. It is denoted by determinant of A. It is not the modulus sign. It is determinant of A, or like determinant of A or delta means determinant of A. Suppose let we take A. A is equal to, suppose a matrix, this one, an elementary matrix. It has only one element, 1 by 1 element means 1 by 1 square matrix. Then determinant of A is equal to, that is determinant of A is equal to only A. If we take determinant of A, matrix A is like this: A11, A12, A21, A22, like this. Then determinant of A will be, determinant we write in this sign: first element A11, second element A12, second row A21, A22. The expansion of these determinants, if we want to find the value of this determinant, then you take this product, means it will be A11 into A22 and subtract A21 into A12, like this. If the determinant of A is equal to, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, then value of the determinant will be, we have to take product of these two numbers, 1 into 4, that is 1 into 4, and we have to subtract it from this product, 2 into 3 means 1 into 4, that is 4 minus 6, it will be minus 2. Already I stated you that determinant means we write in these two vertical lines A, determinant of A. It is the determinant of A. It is not the modulus of A. Therefore, determinant of A will be minus 2. If it is modulus of A, then it will be never negative. But determinant is, it may be positive, it may be negative, it may be 0. Then next we see determinant of A in general form. Determinant of A in general form. Determinant of A in general form is equal to, like this: A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, 32, 33. In this topic, we suppose this is matrix A. This is matrix A. This is matrix A. Then determinant of A will be determinant of A. We'll write here in 3 by 3 determinant A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. It is matrix of order 3, means 3 by 3. It is also determinant of order 3 by 3. Next we see the expansion of the determinant in rows form. Expansion of a determinant in. Now we see how can we expand the given determinant. How can we solve the given determinant. Suppose I take a determinant of order 3 by 3. A is equal to determinant of order 3 by 3. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is the determinant of order 3 by 3. Let me see how we can expand, expand this determinant in rows. Any determinant can be expand in 3 rows or 3 columns. Means we can expand any determinant in 6 ways. Now we are using first row. We expand this determinant along first row. We expand this determinant along first row, that is along R1. Means determinant A is equal to, we take first element A11 as it is A11 and minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 into the determinant. You just remove first row and first column because the element is 1 1. Element is 1 1 here. Therefore you remove the first row and first column. First row means this one and first column means this one. First row means this one, first column means this one. The leftover elements will be A22, A23, A32, A33. Then here also plus. Second element is A12, means we take minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 and the element itself. Then determinant, you A12 means first row and second column, means A21 and A31, then A23, A33, this one. Then third, then plus minus 1 raised to power A13, 13 means 1 plus 3, then A13, the element itself, then determinant, you take first row, this one, and third column, this one. The leftover elements will be A21, A22, A31 and A32. Therefore, A is equal to minus 1 square, that is plus 1, means A11. Here A22, A22, A33 minus A21, A32, then minus 1 raised to power 3, minus 1 cube, means it will be negative, minus A12. Here A21, product of these two numbers, subtraction A31, A23. Then minus 1 raised to power 4, means again positive, plus A13, then it will be A21, product of these two numbers, A32 minus A31, A22, like this. Suppose we take any determinant, suppose of numbers like this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 like this, then you take first element, it is 1, it is minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 1 means it is plus 1 into, you delete first row and first column means 5 9, that is determinant 5 8 and 6 9. Then second one minus it is a12 means minus 1 raised to power 3 minus 1 cube means negative means minus the element itself, that is 2 into, delete first row and second column means 4 7 and 6 9. Then third plus 3 into determinant, plus 3 means a13 minus 1 raised to power 4, it will be positive, therefore I have taken here plus then 3 the element itself. Then delete first row and third column, that is 4 7 5 8, therefore it will be 1 into 5 into 9, that is 45 minus 48 minus 2, that is 36 minus 42 plus 3, that is 32 minus 35 means determinant A is equal to, determinant of A is equal to 45 minus 48 minus 3 minus 2 into minus 6 plus 3 into minus 3, then minus 3 plus 12 minus 9, that is determinant will be 0. Yes. Hello friends. Any determinant can be expanded in 6 ways: by first row, by second row, by third row, and also by taking first column, by taking second column, by taking third column also. Here we have expanded this determinant along first row. Now we demonstrate how can we expand this given determinant along the second row. Second row means this one, along the second row. Second row means this one, along second row. Now we expand the determinant along second row, means determinant of A is equal to, first element is A21 means minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 1 and the element itself, that is 2 1. Then we take determinant second row means this one, and first column means this one, means you take the element A12, A13, A32 and A33 like this. Then plus minus 1 raised to power second element is A22 means 2 plus 2, and determinant the element A22, the determinant you take second row this one, second column this one, means the elements will be left over A11, A31, A13, A33 like this. Then third element is A23 minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 3 and the element itself A23. Then you take second row and third column this one, and second row third column means A11, A12, A31 and A32 like this. Again minus 1 raised to power 3 means minus 1 cube, it is minus A21. Then product A12, A33 minus A32, A13, minus 1 raised to power 4 means plus A22, and this one A11, A33, A13, A33 3 1, then plus minus 1 raised to power 5. Minus 1 raised to power 5 means it is minus negative a23 and a11 into a32 minus a31 into a12, like this. If we expand the given determinant along R3, what will be there? If we expand given determinant along R3, what will be there? Then determinant of A will be minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 means 4. Minus 1 raised to power 4. Even number means positive. And A31 as it is. And determinant will be, you take third row, this one, third column, third row, this one, and first column, this one, means this, take these elements. Again A32 means minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 3, that is 5, means minus, and determinant leftover elements, and plus minus 1 raised to power, this one 3 plus 3 means 6, even number, minus 1 raised to power even even number means plus, and then A33, the determinant of leftover elements. Along columns also it is the same way. We can expand this in along first columns. Pause. Ishan, pause. Students, similarly we can expand the given determinant in first column, second column and third column also. You can refer these other examples from the exercise first from the textbook and solve that all the examples related to this topic and show me on WhatsApp group. Thank you.